and today I'm going to be doing an update on the Jet Seal by Chemical. Alright guys, welcome back to the Ouzo channel, and today I'm going to be doing an update on the Jet Seal by Chemical, guys. Now, it's been about 7 months since we've applied this, and I have to say it's doing really good. It's still really smooth, and I haven't washed the truck in about I want to say around a week, and it's still shiny, it's still smooth, and you can see the dirt there, but I say it's holding up very well. You guys can take a look for it. And we drive the cars, just so if anybody's wondering, it's driven in the winter, so in snow and bad conditions, so it's not sitting in the driveway. Just a simple little video, just kind of going over it. You guys can see, I mean, the results, they're there. And I have to say, if anybody's looking at some type of sealant over the winter, at least up here in Michigan, it's very well here. I don't know about other states, but I assume if it's good in snow, it'll be a really good product for any other type of climate. I mean, seven months, it's still going really strong, so I can't wait to see how this looks after a year. Here's the product right here, Sealant and Paint Protectant Jet Seal. There we go. Alright guys, let us know what you guys think about the sealant, and let us know what your favorite sealant is you like to put on your car. Tell us that in the comments. If you like the video, hit the like, subscribe, and we have another video talking about applying it onto this truck and applying it onto the Silverado. So if you guys want to go check those out, they're on our channel.
Using Meguiars quick detailer and their clay bar on this 2004 F-150. Thing's never been waxed, clay barred, nothing. Just trying to get it ready for the winter. Get a clay bar. The quick detailer from Meguiars, pretty good. And your clay bar works great. We'll continue to make some videos as we get this truck ready for winter. You can see all that. Look what it picked up. That's pretty good. Keep going over it till it's clear.